Welcome back to Artos Hub, where legendary cars return with modern power and timeless attitude. Today, we're stepping into the rebirth of a true American icon, the 2026 Oldsmobile Cutlass. This legendary nameplate makes a bold comeback, blending classic elegance with modern muscle performance and refined technology. The 2026 Cutlass is designed to honor its heritage while confidently standing among today's performance sedans and coupes. At first glance, the 2026 Oldsmobile Cutlass delivers a strong sense of nostalgia wrapped in a modern silhouette. The long hood, wide stance, and smooth body lines immediately reflect Oldsmobile's traditional design language, but everything feels sharper and more purposeful. A modernized grille, sleek LED headlights, and sculpted fenders give the Cutlass a commanding presence on the road. The design strikes a perfect balance, elegant rather than aggressive, powerful without being excessive. The exterior details elevate its premium character. Subtle chrome accents, refined body contours, and aerodynamic shaping enhance both style and efficiency. From the side profile, the Cutlass maintains a clean and flowing design, while the rear features modern LED taillights and a refined bumper layout that reinforces its upscale identity. This is not just a muscle car revival, it's a sophisticated performance machine with heritage at its core. Under the hood, the 2026 Cutlass is engineered to deliver smooth yet confident power. A range of modern V6 and V8 engine options provide impressive acceleration, refined cruising capability, and a strong torque curve. Power delivery feels effortless, making the Cutlass equally comfortable on long highway drives and spirited backroad runs. The suspension system has been carefully tuned to prioritize ride comfort without sacrificing handling precision, ensuring a composed and confident driving experience. Step inside the cabin and the Cutlass immediately feels premium. The interior blends classic Oldsmobile luxury with modern design and technology. High-quality materials, soft-touch surfaces, and elegant stitching create an atmosphere of refinement. The dashboard features a clean layout with a digital instrument cluster and a central touchscreen infotainment system that integrates navigation, connectivity, and entertainment seamlessly. Every control is placed intuitively, keeping the driver focused and comfortable. Seating comfort is a key highlight. The Cutlass offers spacious, supportive seats designed for long-distance comfort as well as everyday driving. Adjustable seating positions, advanced climate control, and sound insulation ensure a calm and refined ride. Rear passengers benefit from generous legroom, making the Cutlass a practical option for families or long journeys without sacrificing style. The 2026 Oldsmobile Cutlass truly comes alive on the road, where its engineering philosophy becomes clear. This is a vehicle designed to feel confident, composed, and effortlessly powerful. The steering is finely tuned to deliver a balanced response, light enough for city driving yet firm and communicative on open highways. Every movement of the wheel feels natural, reinforcing the Cutlass's identity as a refined performance car rather than an overly aggressive muscle machine. Acceleration is smooth and controlled, with power building progressively as the throttle is applied. The engine responds instantly, providing strong mid-range torque that makes overtaking and highway merging feel effortless. Whether equipped with a modern V6 or a more powerful V8 configuration, the Cutlass delivers performance in a way that feels mature and polished. The exhaust note is deep and restrained, offering presence without overwhelming the cabin, perfectly matching the car's elegant personality. The suspension system plays a major role in the Cutlass driving experience. Advanced adaptive dampers continuously adjust to road conditions, absorbing imperfections while maintaining stability through corners. Uneven pavement, highway expansion joints, and rough city streets are handled with ease, keeping the ride smooth and comfortable. At higher speeds, the Cutlass remains planted and composed, giving the driver a strong sense of confidence behind the wheel. Braking performance is equally refined. Large ventilated disc brakes provide consistent stopping power, with smooth pedal feedback and excellent modulation. Advanced braking assistance systems work quietly in the background, ensuring stability during sudden stops or emergency maneuvers. These systems enhance safety without interfering with the natural driving feel, preserving the Cutlass's refined character. Inside the cabin, technology is integrated with restraint and purpose. The digital instrument cluster provides clear, customizable information such as speed, navigation, and performance data. The infotainment system responds quickly, offering smartphone connectivity, voice controls, and an intuitive menu layout. Rather than overwhelming the driver with unnecessary complexity, the The Cutlass focuses on ease of use and clarity. Comfort remains a defining trait. Sound insulation keeps road and wind noise to a minimum, creating a calm and quiet interior environment. The climate control system maintains consistent temperatures throughout the cabin, while premium materials enhance the overall sense of quality. Every surface feels thoughtfully chosen, reinforcing the Cutlass's premium positioning. Practicality is another strong point. The Cutlass offers a spacious trunk capable of handling luggage, groceries, or travel gear with ease. Rear seat access is comfortable, and thoughtful storage compartments throughout the cabin make everyday driving convenient. The 2026 Oldsmobile Cutlass continues to define itself through thoughtful design and balanced engineering. Every exterior detail reflects refinement rather than excess. The proportions feel deliberate, with a long hood and a confident rear stance that give the car a timeless profile. Subtle aerodynamic elements are integrated into the bodywork, improving efficiency and stability at higher speeds while preserving the Cutlass's elegant appearance. Lighting plays an important role in the Cutlass identity. Advanced LED headlights provide excellent nighttime visibility while adding a sharp, modern character to the front end. The rear lighting signature is equally distinctive, offering a clean and recognizable look that feels premium without being flashy. These details enhance the Cutlass's road presence, ensuring it stands out through sophistication rather than aggression. Wheel and tire options are designed to complement both comfort and performance. Larger alloy wheels paired with high-quality touring or performance tires provide confident grip while maintaining a smooth ride. The suspension and chassis work together to keep road vibrations controlled, allowing the Cutlass to glide over long stretches of highway with ease. This balance makes it ideal for drivers who value comfort but still appreciate responsive handling. Technology and safety systems are seamlessly woven into the driving experience. Advanced driver assistance features such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping support, blind spot monitoring, and forward collision alert operate quietly in the background. These systems enhance awareness and confidence without intruding on the natural driving feel. Parking sensors and camera systems simplify urban driving, making the Cutlass easy to maneuver despite its confident proportions. Inside, attention to detail is evident everywhere. The craftsmanship of the interior materials, from stitched leather surfaces to brushed metal accents, reinforces the Cutlass's premium character. The cabin layout prioritizes comfort and clarity, ensuring every control feels intuitive. Ambient lighting subtly enhances the interior atmosphere, creating a relaxed environment for both daytime and nighttime driving. Ownership of the 2026 Oldsmobile Cutlass is about more than performance. It's about experience. The car is designed to feel dependable, refined, and enjoyable every time it's driven. Fuel efficiency improvements allow longer drives between fill-ups, while modern engineering ensures reliability and smooth operation. Maintenance-friendly design elements reflect Oldsmobile's traditional focus on long-term ownership satisfaction. What truly sets the Cutlass apart is its personality. It doesn't chase extremes or trends. Instead, it delivers confidence through balance, combining smooth power, elegant design, and modern technology into a cohesive package.